Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. ABCD is a trapezoid. The diagonals of a trapezoid divide the trapezoid into 4 triangles, and the triangles adjacent to the trapezoid sides have the same area. The area of the triangle AOB is equal to the area of the triangle COD. Let's prove the statement. Triangles ABD and ACD have the same area. AD is shared by both triangles, and if we draw the altitudes from points B and C, they will be congruent since they are both altitudes of the same trapezoid drawn to the same base. The area of the triangle ABD is equal to the sum of the areas of triangle AOB and AOD, and the area of the triangle ACD is equal to the sum of the areas of the triangles COD and AOD. Therefore, the area of the triangle AOB is equal to the area of the triangle COD. ABCD is a convex quadrilateral. A convex quadrilateral is divided into 4 triangles by its diagonals, so that the product of the areas of the 2 opposite triangles is equal to the product of the areas of the other 2 triangles. If you are not familiar with this formula, please check the link to my video with the proof of this formula in the description below. Let's sub in our original values. The area of the triangle BOC is equal to 5 square units. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.